The Amazon River is the undisputed heavyweight champion of the world's waterways. It dumps more water into the ocean than the next 7 largest rivers combined. But what if I told you that the Amazon has a shadow? Deep beneath the rainforest, thousands of feet under the mud and rock, there is a second river flowing in total darkness. It's called the Hamza. It's just as long as the Amazon and hundreds of times wider, but it moves so slowly that a single drop of water can take centuries to reach the sea.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
How do we find a river we can't see? And what does it mean for the future of our planet? The Hamza isn't a river in the traditional sense. You couldn't take a boat on it. It was discovered in 2011 when scientists analyzed data from 241 old oil wells drilled by the Petrobras company. They noticed something strange. The temperature of the Earth deep underground wasn't rising as fast as it should be. The only explanation was that a massive volume of water was absorbing the heat. This river is actually a colossal groundwater flow moving through porous sedimentary rock about 13,000 feet, 4,000 meters, beneath the surface. It starts in the Andes Mountains and mirrors the Amazon's path all the way to the Atlantic. The scale of the Hamza is mind-blowing. While the Amazon is about 1 to 100 kilometers wide, the Hamza is estimated to be up to 400 kilometers wide. However, while the Amazon flows at about 5 feet per second, the Hamza moves at a snail's pace, less than a millimeter per hour. In the time it takes the Amazon to flow into the ocean, the Hamza has barely moved an inch. It is a slow-motion subterranean ocean, filtering through the crust of the continent, carrying minerals and ancient secrets toward the coast. Why does this matter? Because the Hamza is a massive buffer for the South American continent. It holds a staggering amount of fresh water, far more than the surface rivers. This hidden reservoir helps regulate the temperature of the Earth's crust and interacts with the ocean in ways we are only starting to understand. When the Hamza finally reaches the Atlantic, it doesn't just stop. Scientists believe it creates pockets of low-salinity water deep on the ocean floor, which might support unique deep-sea ecosystems that we haven't even discovered yet. However, the Hamza is also a warning. Because it moves so slowly, any pollution that reaches these deep aquifers could stay there for thousands of years. It is a non-renewable resource on a human timescale. As the surface of the Amazon faces deforestation and droughts, these deep, immortal rivers become the most valuable insurance policy for life on Earth. They are the silent veins of the continent, pulsing so slowly that they seem frozen in time, yet they are vital to the balance of the global water cycle. The discovery of the Hamza reminds us that we barely know the ground we walk on. There is a whole world of water beneath our feet, moving at the speed of geology. If you could travel 13,000 feet down, would you want to see this massive, dark, slow-moving sea? Or does the idea of a river that takes centuries to flow feel a bit too alien? Let me know in the comments. Make sure to flow over to the subscribe button and stay curious.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.